People who ever sees this, we are never ever going to probably see this happen again, or I don't know.
We need to work on your intros.
Yeah, pretty much, but okay, that was over there. That was west, so oh, starting up again. Definitely starting up again. Oh, black cat. Nope, black and white cat. Yep. Black up pouring rain.
So we had to walk from the hospital to Adam's house because we wanted to go home. Into Max. So it's raining.
Pouring.
We got a thunderstorm.
Raining, it's pouring.
What the fuck happened? It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed, his mom is sad and couldn't wake up in the morning. I don't think anybody remembers that anymore.
No, I actually do remember it. Raining, it's pouring. I hope you die tonight. There you go. How's that?
It's raining, it's pouring. Vain